Namaste. Standard 3 EVS Video 5. Welcome to our EVS class, my dears. In the last class, we discussed about flowers. Different types of flowers. All the flowers have smell? No. Some flowers have smell. Some one have nice smell and other one bad smell. We can recognize the flowers by their smell. And all the flowers are there in same size, same color? No. They are different in their color. They are different in their size. And the flowers are different in their smell also. Okay. So different types of flowers. We discussed about different types of flowers. And some plants, they are in same color like jasmine, sunflower, mukkutti, etc. But some are different in colors like hibiscus, rose. We can get different colored rose, different colored hibiscus, like that. Okay. So all of you learned all the things. And we learned our national flower. What is that? Our national flower, lotus. And state flower, laburnum or kanikonda. And I asked you to draw your favorite flower. Then I asked you to draw our national flower. Then one more activity I gave you. What was that? Collect the pictures of different types of flower. And many questions I gave you. I thought all of you got the answers. If anyone is there who didn't get the answer, call me. Don't worry. Call me. If you have any doubt, call me. Okay. So last class we discussed about the flowers and I gave you many questions. All the questions are very easy. That is why I hope all of you did it. So now listen here. Today we are discussing something more about flowers. Now all of you know the name of our national flower, lotus, and the state flower, laburnum. So next, name the biggest flower. Anyone can give me the answer? Anyone? Can you? Name the biggest flower. Think. Biggest flower. Rafflesia. What is that? Rafflesia. Biggest flower. Rafflesia. About 10 kg. Its weight is about 10 kg. Can you imagine that? You can't lift it. You can't lift up that rafflesia because it's around 10 kg. Isn't it? So biggest flower is rafflesia. Now 3 GK question we learned. What was the first question? National flower, lotus. Second one, state flower, laburnum. Today we learned biggest flower, rafflesia. And see, all the flowers, we discussed about the smell of the flowers. We can identify the flowers with their fragrance. Someone nice fragrance, someone bad smell. So, my dears, name some fragrant flowers. Can you do that? Name some fragrant flowers. Jasmine, champaga, like that many flowers are there. So you just go to the garden and find out the fragrant flowers and write its name in your notebook. And you can take the help of you can seek the help of your mom and brother or sister, etc. You walk around, walk through your garden and find out the fragrant flower and write down its name in your notebook. Do that. Name some fragrant flowers. fragrance flowers. Name some that blossom at night. That's easy one. Blossom at night. All the white colored flowers blossom at night. All the white colored flowers blossom at night. Jasmine. Then Nishagandhi. Like that flowers blossom at night. So you can write its name also. And you can seek the help of your elders and write down. Okay. And when? So you heard about Neelakuringi? Neelakuringi. There in Ooty you can see Neelakuringi. When Neelakuringi blossoms, different types of Neelakuringis are there. Many varieties of Neelakuringis are there. And once in 12 years they blossoms. Neelakuringis blossoms once in 12 years. That also you keep in your mind. That also you keep in your mind. That one is a GK question. When Neelakuringi blossoms, many varieties of Neelakuringis are there, and once in 12 years it blossoms, Neelakuringi. The picture of these, the flowers blossom at night, and Neelakuringis are there in your textbook. After the class, you just look at your textbook and see the picture. So we learn name the biggest flower, rafflesia. Only these points we are discussing. What are the points? Name some fragrant flowers like rose, jasmine, etc. Jamanti, they are all fragrant flowers. And we can identify the flower with the fragrance. If someone tie our eye and ask us to identify the flower. If they keep the jasmine in front of us with the smell, with its fragrance, we can identify that is jasmine. Okay. If anyone keep the rose nearby you and they tie your eyes and ask you to identify the flower with its fragrance, with that flower smell, we can identify that is rose. Isn't it? So, name some fragrant flowers. Write down its name in your notebook. First, you copy this question and write down the answers. Name some fragrant flowers. Write its name here. Name some that blossoms at night. That's easy one. All white flowers are blossoms at night. You can write its name here. Okay. Nishagandhi, jasmine, etc. White colored flowers. All the white colored flowers blossoms at night. And when Neelakuringi blossoms? Once in 12 years. And name the biggest